A statue of a fearsome female demon has been restored to her former glory. The 17th century rendering of a succubus has had a new lick of paint, and a new information board has been placed at its location in St Albans, Hertfordshire. The frightening decoration, which sits on a wooden bracket at the historic passageway in the city, stands near to the former site of the famous 16th century Christopher Inn. She was probably fixed there when the inn was extended in the 17th century. A succubus is a form of grotesque, and, in legend, she was believed to prey upon men in their sleep. The purpose of placing one outside an inn was to ward off evil in an age of superstition, when it was believed that demonic entities lurked around every corner. So, despite her voluptuous and devilish appearance, she is not a sign of a house of ill repute, as is sometimes claimed, but actually a symbol that the inn was safe. Her talon-like feet indicate that she is indeed a demon, and they are shackled to prevent her escape. The monster also wears a chastity belt, so she is restrained and cannot get up to mischief. Though there were other succubi and grotesques gracing the inns of St Albans, the Christopher Inn succubus is the only surviving whole one in situ. Formerly white for a substantial period of time, the statue was restored to her original colour recently thanks to public donations. The new information board features an etching by Ian Howgate. Likely to be from the interwar period, the artist's caption reads, "Ye grinning chained devil of St Albans." But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.